Dorbar Shnong Umshangling minta KHASI ke Ïakynduh ya Deputy Commissioner Karibhoi Abilash Baranwan ban ucor ha kabayadai bat kecingwan tep turmur ya kawe ka medyap bom dan bakam terai ha ulum cing tep jong ke Shnong. Hapo gajing alam urang bak Shnong ubak James Mayong bat Secretary Shnong ubak Vincent Sokwai. Dorbar Shnong kala bancur halor kecing kia jongkani kecing dia bat kira kenturu ya Deputy Commissioner bantuklar kam klo ya kani kakam. Haba ai jubab Deputy Commissioner Abilash Baranwan la pentikna hakilat patai kubor ba sashim kia ya kani kakam.
Nilai Ïakynduh UDC bat nakaliang UDC uang bahapo gine ki arsngi unsakhwat ya ka jingyalang hapdeng ke town committee police department district administration kumju bat ka Dorbar Shnong bat hakane ka city ka bangilabu ya UDC nilabu ro katto katne kimat jingdawa.
Their complaint is that the way it has been done is not proper, as a result of which the dead body has been mauled by stray dogs, and it's creating a public health issue in the village. So they have requested for us to intervene and to take up the matter with police authorities and Nongpo Town Committee to ensure that any dead body, whenever it is buried, is not only in the knowledge of the village authorities but also it's buried properly so that it does not create any public health issue.